KBZZ ceiling fan, 60-inch fan, 6 speeds. Comes with a nice instruction guide, how to get started, what it's all about. Check it out, and let's get opening up the box and start to install. All the parts and materials laid out on the table. You have a magnetic cover that simply is going to cover the screws up like so. You have a short bar that's going to go through, or a long bar that's going to go through that you're going to assemble the gimbal onto the ends. And then this is the cover for the actual fan's head that covers the screws over here. The head is the motor, DC motor. It is quite quiet. It doesn't have any lights on this unit, and this can be placed anywhere you can want. Indoor, out on a patio that's covered, because the fan blades are plastic. There are 3 blades, and they're meant for, cleaning, waterproof and all. You have your anchors and screws and hardware. The bolts for the ceiling fan blades, the ceiling fan bracket, the 6-speed remote control, transmitter, receiver, and cable. Make yourself comfortable. Take the things that you don't need right now out of the way. Let's install a fan. It's real simple to put on a blade to a motor. Let's show you how. We have a motor, a blade, a giant washer, and we're going to simply try our best, match up the holes, place onto the motor, start to loosely lock down, and repeat for the next blade by sliding in, taking a bolt until you complete the process. The last blade goes on, and lock them in and lock everything down securely now. This is just the difficult part of trying to get things on. And once it's on, you simply turn everything upside down. We have the short bar and gimbal and the long bar. What we're going to do is use the long bar. Take the screw out, slide down, hold the pin, put to the side. Make sure on the bar, this is the bottom, this is the top, because there's a hole that the screw that came out must go back in. You want to slide in the wiring like so. You want to loosen the screws on the bottom and match up the hole for hole. You don't want to forget to put this on over before you do the gimbal or anything else. Have it just hanging in there. Definitely don't want to forget this piece, put it on. And this piece that you're going to slide on. With the Kotler pin, you're going to slide either side the best you can and put on the Kotler to lock it into place. Tighten down these screws. Put the cover down. The gimbal goes on. The pin goes in. The hole and the pin goes in, and place back the screw to lock it all into place. When you place everything upstairs, that's what it's going to look like. You have some information about the receiver and transmitter, and you have here is a ground, neutral, and load that you're going to match up, lock into place, and the other end has the wider plug that's going to go over here just for the motor. If this had a light, that would be for the light switch to connect to, and optional. This is your antenna, this is the receiver, and this is the transmitter to run your unit that you're going to supply some batteries for, AAAs, 2 of them. You have a bracket that you're going to now go hang up. You're going to place your gimbal into the bracket. You're going to adjust it so it clicks into a slot over here. You're going to put your leads on to your existing leads and close up. Slide your cosmetic cover on. Make sure no wires or anything is showing and everything's nice and tight. And turn your electric on. Going over the controller, you have your fan on and off, LED indicator, light on and off, which this does not have a light. Your speeds 1 through 6, your forward and reverse directions. This is 1, 4, and 8-hour timer. You have a natural wind that will go fast and slow. And this has a anti-theft function if the LED light kit was installed. This is a delayed sailing light, and this is a button mute function. We're wondering what the delay button is about. It's a 5-minute delay closing of the fan and light. And why will we have a mute? To beep the electronic sound when you hit the buttons like so. 6 speeds, low to high, and the fan does a nice job. It's very quiet indeed. It's great for a living room, an office, anywhere where you need to put up a fan. It's a tri-blade 60-inch fan. I hope you enjoy your product if this is something that you're looking for in a sailing fan.